What's up, kings and queens? What's up, Z Nation? I'm back with another video. Look, I just wanted to share something with you all real quick that I thought was very interesting. Check out all these birds. I've never seen this many birds like this. So I just came outside of Walmart and I see all these birds all over these people's cars. Look at that. They all up there in the trees. Like, I've seen a lot of birds before, but I've never seen this many. I think people even blowing at them. Y'all hear that car? That car over there, I think that car blowing at the birds. I've never seen this many birds like this. I wonder, are they letting us know that winter is coming? I'm wondering, what y'all think? It's a lot of birds. But as soon as they see the cars though, they get out the way. Check this out though. You know, people actually have YouTube channels of bird watching, and they get lots and lots of views. That just shows you that you can make money doing anything. I'm just literally standing here watching birds. And watch somebody be interested in it. This is fascinating to me. I hear another car horn. Yeah, I think people going at these birds. Okay, well, I'm gonna get ready to go before they work their way over here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave because they getting a little close. And I have to put my bags and stuff in the car. So yeah. All right, kings and queens, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I just wanted to show y'all all of these birds in this parking lot.